Google Messages has found a way to shrink the gap a little bit.
Bless their
Uh,
hearts.
they're trying in the blue bubble, green bubble wars. So Google has started rolling out iMessage reactions, and iMessage reactions meaning if you for those of you who use iPhones, you press and hold a message, you have these different reactions, a ha ha, exclamation points, a thumbs up, those type of things. Well, if you have a person that you're texting with who is an Android person, it's some kind of weird text that comes out, can't understand it, doesn't make sense. So now they found a way to convert the iMessage reactions, a la called quote tapbacks, to appear on your Android device. It's not the exact same look and feel
Hmm.
of what we see as iPhone users, but now you will get just in the right bottom corner of the green message bubble, you will see the little circle icon. So instead of seeing, I guess I can just run them down because
It's not one to one. If you
it's
do a
not one to
thumbs up, you
one.
may or may
And
not get a thumbs up. If you put
yeah, so
exclamation points, you may not or may not get exclamation points.
right. So you'll get basically the face emojis. So if on the iMessage it's a heart, on the Android side through RCS, it will be a smiling face with heart eyes. If it's the haha, meaning it says ha ha, on the Apple side, on the Android side, you'll get a
Face with
smiley
tears
face
of
with
joy.
tears of joy.
So, but you don't
Exclamation
have to go
point.
look. You don't have to go through all these. Look, let me tell you, this is going to cause more problems than you solve, especially for people like me who constantly overthink and overanalyze text messages. I'm trying to read for tone. I'm reading a text message. Did they mean it the way they meant it? And this and that. And then heaven forbid, here you come with uh face with tears of joy. I'm like, now I'm all
What does that
confused.
mean?
And in the right or wrong context, you can cause more problems with a text message if these little tapbacks do not convert over to Android the way they're supposed to, especially how we use text messages and how we use emojis nowadays. You can
Yeah.
do a whole sentence with nothing but emojis, and the person, if they know
Convey the
lingo,
statement. Yeah.
they'll get it. Now, if they're not converting one to one, you sending something and they get something else, now your whole thing is messed up.
As you can see, Terrence is not a fan. As he's like, we ain't
No.
gotta even go through all these. The only thing I will say is a thumbs up, thumbs down stays the same regardless. So we have
Okay.
two that are one to one. So
Okay.
there you go.